This morning we're running a training event for an event we're running in a couple of weeks' time. So we're here pulling a truck that TNT have kindly let us use so that we can practice for pulling a 38-40 tonne C-130 Hercules at RAF Bryce Norton. We're raising money for 492 Squadron itself and BLESMA, the British Limbless Ex-Servicemen Association, and the Royal Air Force Association.
It's been fantastic. It's been a really good experience, good training exercise as well for the actual event. Last year at the event we won the best overall youth group, and this training should go towards us being able to complete that again.
Some of the young cadets that have been here today have pulled a Hercules before, I believe.
Actually, it was a VC-10 last year. They didn't have any Hercs available, so we pulled a 73-tonne VC-10 and my legs were on fire for hours afterwards.
And how do you think they're going to cope with pulling the Hercules this year?
I actually think they'd find it a hard challenge, but enjoyable, and this has gone a long way to help them achieve that.
Okay, you had to pull the lorry about 100 metres this morning. That's how far you're going to have to pull the Hercules aircraft. What time did you do it in today?
B flight did it in 44.6
And how painful was that for you?
Quite tiring.
Okay, and what about A flight?
We did it in 42.7 seconds.
And again, that was very painful?
Yes.
But you managed it and enjoyed it?
Yes.
Good, well done.
Well, all the efforts that the cadets have put in today have been very impressive. I was quite amazed with how they pulled the truck with considerable ease, to be honest.